Let's be clear, warehouses are dangerous places. For one, people and forklifts generally do not mix well. But on top of that, shelves can get tipped over, walls and equipment can get damaged, and so many other hazards. How can we make these workplaces safer for people? Can we use some magic products to make these spaces more human-friendly? And it turns out we can. Today we'll discuss a few fetch families that will help us design safer warehouses for people, inventory, and equipment. Let's jump in. Let's talk about people first. Warehouse personnel must be able to safely navigate the warehouse shelves to pick parts, compile inventory, and get to warehouse infrastructure such as offices and break rooms. On the flip side, forklifts also need to be able to move about the space to move pallets and other large items to where they need to be for smooth operation. As we mentioned earlier, people and forklifts aren't typically compatible. To solve this problem, one solution is to use guardrails. Guardrails are a versatile system of posts and rails that separate vehicles and personnel. Available in two heights, the 18-inch tall bumpers keep forklifts in their lane while not impeding the flow of other traffic, and the 42-inch rails prevent humans from entering the forklift lanes. This expandable system uses rails and segments between 3 feet and 10 feet on whole foot increments, with sturdy 4x4 posts, each with 4 anchor points for mounting to the floor. Fully assembled, the guardrail can withstand impacts up to 10,000 pounds at up to 4 miles an hour, and is finished in a safety yellow powder coat for maximum visibility. Another solution for keeping vehicles out of pedestrian areas is to use bollards. Simple industrial bollards can block vehicles from entering spaces not intended for them while allowing people to filter between them. These fully welded steel bollards come in various heights and a range of diameters up to 9 inches for increased impact resistance. Each bollard includes a robust mounting plate with 4 anchor points, a removable rounded plastic top, and an optional cover. Now that we've outlined a few products for protecting people, how can we protect our inventory? No one wants to come into work and find that the shelves had a domino disaster. For this particular problem, we can use rack guards. Rack guards shelter the end of shelving bays and reduce the likelihood of a nasty accident. The nested steel rails expand telescopically to fit any bay depth and come with a whopping 10 anchor points to repel accidental forklift bumps and keep your inventory safely on the shelves. There are a lot more rack and shelving guard products that we'll be making families for soon, so stay tuned for more warehouse safety products. Now that we've protected our crew and inventory, let's talk about protecting equipment and the building. Preventing unreasonable wear and tear on walls and equipment can be challenging with everyone buzzing around. Still, the following products will help keep safety and awareness in mind, starting with machine guards. These simple steel rails can protect the sides and backs of machines and other equipment from passing forklifts and trucks. Each rail has a thick mounting plate and 8 anchor points to create a strong barrier. Available in either a 2-inch diameter or a heavy-duty 4-inch diameter bar for added strength. An optional center rail can also be added to prevent people from slipping through. Our final product is a corner guard. By standing between traffic flow and the wall, these folded steel guards prevent corners from receiving unintentional abuse from gouges and nicks. The floor-mounted model includes 3 anchor points, while the mobile model trades the anchors for a convenient handle. To wrap this up, warehouses have special safety requirements that any designer or space planner needs to consider. We must remember the safety of the people who work and visit in the warehouse, and their proximity to potentially dangerous forklift activities. The security of the inventory and shelving needs to be addressed to prevent catastrophic accidents, and the building and equipment themselves need to be protected so operations can continue smoothly. We hope that these new models can help any designer make informed decisions on how best to keep everyone safe and productive at their place of work. Thanks for tuning into this episode. If you like what you saw here, please drop us a comment and telling us what you found interesting. Or just hit that thumbs up button to let us know we're doing a good job. As always, I'm Andrew with the Fetch Content Creation team, and I'll see you next time.